Burger King, spicy chicken, and Impossible. I don't know if I should do it separately. I'm gonna make this one video. Try the spicy chicken, because I haven't tried their spicy chicken before. It's crunchy. A little bit spicy. Not right away when you taste, but like an aftertaste. It's spicy. I think this is spicier than the rest. The spicy chicken sandwiches I've had. It's good. It's crunchy. I give it a 9 out of 10. It's good. Two for $6, that's a good deal. For value, Wendy's is still the cheapest, 2 for $5. Popeyes is the most expensive. Okay, this is, now I'm starting to taste the real spicy flavor. That's good. I like spicy food. Wendy's isn't as spicy. It's good. This is different. Only bad thing, the spice is starting to kind of overpower the chicken. Whereas the other competitors' sandwiches, you could taste both equally. So I would kind of adjust that. I need to clean my car. They're having a special on oil changes, and I'm gonna go get my car changed, oil changed. But they haven't called me back to try to set up an appointment. Their website's down. It's annoying as shit. It's been 3 hours. Here's the Impossible Burger. Impossible Burger or Whopper? I think it's Impossible Whopper. Let's give it a taste. What the fuck? That tastes exactly the same as a Whopper. I could tell there's like, it's soy and like vegan food, because I used to eat vegetarian and vegan food when I was super broke in college, because they were cheap. That tastes like Morningstar Farm patties. I legit, it looks the exact same as a Whopper, bro. I can't tell the difference. I give that a 7 out of 10. Here's why. I don't like the Whopper. I know I'm gonna get hate for it. I do not like the Whopper. Like the meat one. Not just that one. I hate it. It has no flavor. The patty's bland. Like other competitors, if I eat the patty, I could eat the patty by itself because it's seasoned, it's good. Even McDonald's has the best beef is at McDonald's. No, Wendy's wins for flavor. Their beef and chicken are always seasoned right, and it tastes fresh. I have a large Fanta. It's $1 for happy hour if you use the app. Coupon. That was 2 for $6, so I spent $7 today. I spent like 10, 12 bucks yesterday. Shit. Then you go back to eating ramen and save some money. Anyways, Morningstar patties tasted a lot better, and I've had their burgers, so those burgers are okay. This burger, it just tastes bland, like just like the original Whopper to me. So definitely would not recommend it. The Morningstar patties cost like $3, and for a 4-pack, I could go get that instead. Definitely don't like that. I would not recommend it. Spicy chicken sandwich, on the other hand, this large soda, dude, this has to be bigger than McDonald's cup. I'll look it up, but this says 38 at the bottom. Is that 38 ounces? Probably. Anyways, guys, I was gonna try their milkshake today, but I was like, nah, you know what? Fanta sounds good right now. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys think, if you've tried the spicy chicken sandwich or the Impossible Whopper. Yeah, peace out. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.